Okay. Oh, excuse me.
It was just a sore throat, but anyway, since nobody else commented on what should I do, the Dare video had 2 votes from, let's see, Francesca Miles and Mr. Ardwell6. So I'll need some dares from you guys. I'll be waiting, so clock is ticking. And for the people doing the dares with us are Francesca Miles and Nasha DLC, also known as Cherry, who changed her name, and Bunny. Yeah, we kind of missed her in chapter 1, I forgot which one, and her crush Doggy, and Zizzy, and her crush also, Pony. And then we have my friend, our 7 Woodminster, and then we have Space Cat YouTube, and then me. So